In this video, we're going to cover how to delete all Gmail emails at once on your phone and on desktop. We'll go through Gmail's built-in methods step by step, show you where each one falls short, and then show you a faster alternative. We'll also cover how to actually free up storage once the deletion is done, because deleting and freeing space in Gmail are two different things. I'm Lauren from the Clean Email app, and here's why you should trust me. We've been helping everyday people clean their emails and keep them clean for over 10 years. We've literally processed billions of emails, and for each video, I tap into the expertise of the Clean Email team to make the best tutorials for you. Let's get into it. Here's how to delete all Gmail emails at once on your phone or tablet using the Gmail app. Open Gmail and tap the menu icon in the top left. And choose either Inbox or All Mail depending on what you want to clear. Then long press any email in the list. That puts you into selection mode. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the folder until every message has loaded. Tap Select All and then tap the delete icon. One thing worth knowing here, Gmail won't ask you to confirm. You'll see a brief undo option at the bottom on screen, but it disappears fast. So if you're not sure, wait on it. Now that works, but it's slow. The reason is that Gmail makes you scroll through your entire mailbox first before it lets you select everything. If you have thousands of emails, that's a lot of just scrolling just to get to the Select All button. If that feels too manual, and it usually does, here's a way faster way. Open Clean Email on your phone, then select All, and choose either Delete to permanently remove messages or Trash to move them to the trash folder. No scrolling required. Click the link in the description for 20% off. If you use Apple Mail on your iPhone instead of the Gmail app, here's what to know. Go to Mailboxes and select Gmail or All Inboxes. Then tap Select in the top right corner. From there, you have to tap each email individually to select it. And then tap the delete icon. On the web, here's how to delete all Gmail emails at once. Start by clicking All Mail in the left sidebar. This targets every message in the mailbox, including labeled emails and drafts, not just what's sitting in your inbox. Click the checkbox in the top left corner. Gmail will select the messages visible on screen, then you'll see a blue bar that says Select All Conversations in All Mail. Click that to grab everything. Then hit Delete in the top toolbar. Same as mobile, Gmail doesn't ask for a full confirmation. You get one brief undo window and then the emails are gone from view. Where do they actually go? To the trash, which brings up something important. Deleting emails in Gmail doesn't free up your storage right away. The emails move to trash first, and Gmail holds them there for 30 days before wiping them automatically. Google account storage, which is shared across Gmail, Drive, and Photos, stays full until trash is cleared. To empty it now, go to your trash folder and click Empty Trash Now. That's worth knowing, especially now because Google has confirmed it's testing a policy for new storage for some newly created accounts. Some users are going from 15 gigabytes down to 5 gigabytes of storage. So staying on top of what's actually sitting in trash is more relevant than it used to be. The web Gmail method is better than mobile, but it still has the same friction point. Gmail selects the visible messages first, so you have to remember to click Select All Conversations to get everything, and the delete versus trash choice isn't clear because it just says delete. Most people don't actually want to delete every single email in their Gmail account. They want to clear out a specific sender or everything older than a year. Gmail can do all of this natively, but it requires building a separate search for each one. Here's how to delete all emails from one sender. Find any messages from that sender, right-click it, and choose Find Emails from that sender. Click the checkbox at the top and click the trash icon. For date-based deletions, show search options in the Gmail search bar. Set the date within fields to your time frame. Choose Inbox or All Mail. Hit Search. Select the checkbox and delete. For the whole inbox, open Gmail, click the checkbox at the top left, and hit delete. The pattern here is that every segment in Gmail requires its own search, its own select step, and its own delete. Clean Email removes that repetition. Smart folders like food delivery, travel, seasonal sales, and messages from no reply automatically group related mail. So instead of building a search for every category you tap into the folder, select all and delete. One flow for every segment. One more thing worth mentioning is that Gmail recently added a manage subscriptions, which pulls your active email subscriptions into one place. However, Clean Email's unsubscriber takes it way further. You can fully unsubscribe, or you can use Keep Newest to automatically delete old emails from a sender as new ones come in, or pause if you want to break from a sender without cutting them off for good. A lot more control than a single unsubscribe button. And if you unsubscribe from something by mistake, Clean Email has a separate tab that stores all your previous subscriptions in one place. The same with the trash. If you use trash instead of delete in Clean Email, recovery works similarly. Open the trash view, select what you need, and restore. Click the link in the description for 20% off. And that's the full picture for how to delete all Gmail emails at once on phone and desktop, how to target specific groups without wiping everything, and how to actually clear the storage when you're done. Your inbox is ready for a clean start. And if you want to go further, the next video covers how to see all your email subscriptions in Gmail. Click the video on the screen now. See you in the next one.